Welcome to the Whiskey Creek Railway. As you may be aware, we got hit in the backyard by Hurricane Helene, not sure how to pronounce that. At least with the French accent it's Helene. Somewhere we got lucky because 2 trees fell from the neighbor. Fortunately, it did not hit the majority of the track. There is a little bit of damage, but it did hit some of the siding, and especially where I am storing train material, panels, etc., the gravel pit. So today the arborist is coming to remove, the arborist company is coming to remove the 2 trees, so it's going to be something. And the structure that has been damaged the most is the gazebo. So we have some thought, rebuild the gazebo, or perhaps to put a train shed, like a train station instead. So we are a month later, and now the trees have been removed. Mostly a lot of bent material, track panels, rails in my yard area. A little bit of damage on the track itself, but not too much. Couple of track panels. So now we are going to start the reconstruction around the Whiskey Creek Railway. If you have any questions, please ask them through the comment section. And you can see here almost the highway that has been burst in our forest to be able to remove all the fallen trees. It has been a domino effect. One took a second, who took a third. And then the third falling took a couple of smaller ones. Well, we need to be optimistic and rebuild.